How to copy a formula in Excel for the entire column without dragging. So if you want to copy a formula in Excel for the entire column without dragging, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can open up your Excel sheet. After opening your Excel sheet, now you need to just go with your interface. Now, for example, here I'll just simply go with the formula, which is equals to C5 multiplied by 0.20, and here you will have the answer, right? So as we know that we can drag this and we'll have the answers, right? But if you want the answers without dragging, then there is a way. What you can do is you can just simply double click on that. Once you double click, then as you can see that it has given you all the answers without dragging. So you need to go with the corner and double click, and you will have the answer. But there is a risk in this one because, for example, if you have like this gaps in between, then it won't work. As you can see that it only works till this and it doesn't work after a gap. So if you have a gap like this, then it won't work for the entire column. So there is a way in which you can solve this problem. First, you just need to simply select your information and then you can go with insert and go with table. And here you need to scroll down, and as you can see that my table is till 34. So here you need to just go with 34 and go with OK, and your table has been inserted, right? Once you've inserted the table, now let's see if it works or not. Now if you click on this and if you double click here, then as you can see that it works. As you can see that here it has inserted 0 when there is no value. So that's how you can copy a formula in Excel for the entire column without dragging. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.